Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Publisher Tutorial and in this video today I'll show you how to open a publisher file in Google Drive. So let's get started. First I open Microsoft Publisher and I create here in a brochure in publication and I want to open this file in Google Drive. Sometimes it's so much difficult to open a publisher file in Google Drive. To avoid this problem, we have to first convert this publisher file in PDF format. Then I upload this file in Google Drive to see or preview or open this file so much easily. So we have to go to the file menu. Then we have to save as. I save this file in desktop. Then I create a file name, new publication. Then I click here as save as type. I save as in PDF format. Then I click here in save. My publisher file saved in PDF format and now I upload this file in Google Drive. So I go to Google Drive, open a Gmail account, then I go to Google Drive. This is Google Drive and I open it. And then I click here in new, then click here in file upload. I saved my file in desktop. This is my file, new publication in PDF format, and now I open this file in Google Drive. My file is uploading. Look, this is my file. And I upload this file and open it in Google Drive. So viewers, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.